What's good, people? Right, we're about to take a look at something really, really dope indeed. My friend from CLARKS Originals reached out and said, yo, we got a brand new collaboration dropping with AIMÉ, Dore, the label that was founded in New York back in 2014 by Teddy Santis, Queen's native. And I was like, yo, I love what they're doing and I can't wait to see what you got. So we've got two right here. Now there's four that have come out. You've got the black pair, the orange pair, the green pair, and what I'm referring to is the oatmeal pair, right? Now, the thing is, I've already got a black pair of Wallabees. I'm very blessed to have an orange pair. So the thing is, I was like, yo, I don't want to be too out there and go for all four. I just want to stick with a two. And these two are beautiful. And yo, the cosign, the model of this whole campaign, legendary, absolutely legendary. Right, to the shoes, right? These are dropped at select accounts already. Okay, check it out. It's NAS. NAS are the letters that spell. Queensbridge native Nazir Jones is the campaign brand ambassador. What a cosign indeed, right? Okay, to the shoes. Now, these bad boys have been handcrafted in Portugal out of responsibly sourced Italian wool. Look at that. The oatmeal pops. This is my favorite out of the four, actually. I've had some discussions, but nah. And look at the way the wool is textured. Absolutely gorgeous. And the piping is exquisite, beautiful, butter soft, full tumbled leather. Crepe sole, of course, iconic with this shoe. The AIMÉ Dore branding right there. These are wicked. But the other colour as well. I'm torn as to which ones are my favourite out of the two. Seriously. I mean, both really bring out the elements of this shoe, this iconic classic, in such a handsome fashion. But yo, these ones here, I'm going to call these the money greens. And yeah, I've got to say, boom. Check it. You got the leather double tags right there. Once again, going AMSR on you. Yo, these are such a dope winter flex indeed. I have to say, CLARKS have had such an incredible year. You know, the collaboration with Raheem Sterling was inspired and genius. And then they followed that up with the Bape collab, which is wicked. And now they've got these bad boys in the mix. Not to mention the regular line as well, which maintain the standards to an exceptional level. But hey, you can't knock it with these bad boys. So yo, anyway, people, shouts to my fam from CLARKS for looking out once again. And to you people, yo, stay safe, all right? One love and peace.